You will look at my taskbar is now showing. Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. Taskbar is not so Windows 11, so how to fix? So first is Windows R. You can type task mgr, means task manager. Open. So you can find Windows Explorer. So you slow down, right click to restart Windows Explorer, right click to restart, and then second step. Then guys, again Windows R, and type task mgr, then OK. I want to find search host. So you can just right click and then and task. So third step is then guys, again Windows R, and type REGEIDT. Click to yes. Local machine, software, Microsoft. Scroll down. Windows, and then current version, then shell s, shells, and then update. Then guys, update, then packets, right click to new, and DWORD 32-bit value, click. Then name has a neighbor, okay, then okay, and double click to open, give the value, data is 0, and then okay, and then close. Then guys, close all tab and save your file, then restart your laptop, desktop, restart your Windows. You will look at my taskbar is now showing. So step by step all method, and then restart. So guys, thank you.